video. And once again, I'm back with a pre-recorded because this is going to be a scheduled video. That's why I'm wearing the shirt like 3 videos in a row, or 4. I lost track. But I decided I was going to do like a chugging challenge with warm soda and then a cold one that I'll go get after I chug this one. Let's see how long it takes for me to chug them. It's probably gonna take me long because I don't do chugging videos much, but yeah, I figure I'd see whichever one takes less time. If a cold or a warm one takes less time to chug. Not gonna lie to you, this is probably gonna hurt to chug. But yeah, I'm gonna see which one takes less time. I was gonna try and hold the stopwatch. I don't know how that's gonna work. Alright, I guess. Start. Alright. Okay. Oh, it's hard. I feel like the cold one would be harder. I guess this is really chugging it now, but oh, I guess this is turning into a burping video. Never mind. This might not be a chugging video after all. This might just be a burping video. Alright. I'm gonna say minute and maybe 11 seconds for the warm one. Whew. Oh, jeez. Okay, this is turning into a chugging video and a burping video. All in one. Alright, I'll be back. I'll go get the cold one and we'll test that one out. Alright, I got the cold one. I don't know if you can tell if it's cold. Not really, but it's cold. And yeah, I have the timer. I had the timer. Alright, here we go. That's from the warm one, which I figured it was probably a minute and 11, give or take. But yeah, I'm gonna open this first. Oh, that's cold on my leg. I'm wearing shorts, and I just set it on my knee. It's cold. Okay. Alright, I don't know how well this is gonna go, but I have a feeling this is gonna take more time than the warm one did. But yeah, that's a lot harder. Whew. Cold does not feel good going down. I don't think this is really a chugging challenge. I'm just gonna call it chugging soda. Oh. I don't know if there is such thing as cold burn, but that just felt like a cold burn. Instead of heartburn, you know? Cold burn. Oh yeah, that took about 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Wait, no. I feel like that added onto the time that it was before. Because it's showing just lap 1, so I'm gonna have to go back. Subtract 1 minute, 12 seconds from this, which that gives it about a minute and a half, probably, if my calculations are right. So a minute and a half for cold, and about a minute and 11 seconds we're gonna go with for warm. So I was right. Cold is longer than the warm one. But if you like this video, like down below. If you want to comment below, comment below. And subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. You could subscribe and then check out my other videos. And next to the subscribe button is the notification. I can't talk today. Notification bell, where you can be notified when I post new videos. Have a lovely day or night. Bye.